Sabado ngayon, guys. And, guys, nandito na siya. Nandito na siya. Ding, ding, ding. Tagal ka namin hinintay. How many months has it been? 5 months? Grabe siya. 5 months. Nandito na siya, guys. Free sana na pag-install. Kaya lang hihintayin pa namin na bukas kung iti-take namin yung free installation. So sabi ko, install natin. Madali lang naman to. Yung feet lang naman, diba? Yung ginawa namin last time. Sana lang talaga wala tong crack. Pero sabi dito, babe, it has been inspected. Charot. Ito, oh. It was opened for quality control. So, chinek nila before nila pinadeliver sa amin. Naka-drunk blush ako ngayon. So, ewan ko ano na itsura ng mukha ko dyan. So, ito sabi, opened for quality control. So, yan yung feet ng ating cabinet. Nakakaloka sila kasi 'di ba ilang beses pabalik-balik si Dan dun sa Freedom na shop talaga just to check kung ano na nangyari sa cabinet namin. Tapos yun, nag-apologize, sabi sorry kasi ang tagal-tagal pero wala pa ginagawa pa yung cabinet nyo so matatagalan talaga siya. Nung last na pumunta siya is malapit na kaming umalis para America trip. Tapos sabi ni Dan, for sure naman 'di ba darating na yun after ng trip namin. So, sabi nila, yan, nandito na yun after ng trip. So, pinaschedule namin na ipa-deliver after ng trip. Ay, parang umalis kami 26 of October. Nag-text, guys, 27th of October. So, the day after we left, which is yung 27 Sabado, sabi, i-deliver namin ngayon. O, diba, parang ewan. Sabi nila, kakausap lang natin na after ng trip. So, pumunta talaga dito, guys. Tumawag sila kay Dan. Paano nila matatawagan? Nasa plane kami nun. Of course, hindi nag-pick up si Dan. Tapos, voicemail lang. So, hindi namin sila ma-replyan kasi nga, we were overseas. So, pagdating namin dito, yun yung unang inano ni Dan. Pinuntahan niya yung Freedom, tapos ano na, or parang tinawagan na niya lang ata. Sabi, ano nang ganap ng aming cabinet? Bakit pina-deliver? Kakausap lang natin na ipapadeliver after. So sabi nila, uy, magbabayad ka na naman ulit. Sabi ni Dan, huwag kayong ganyan. Huwag niyo akong ganyan eh. So sabi niya, so yun, nag-usap sila, tapos yeah, walang bayad yung pag-deliver. Sabi ni Dan, nagbayad na kami ng deliver nung una, diba? Kasi nga, sira. So, pina-return namin. Sabi nila, ay, magbabayad ka na ulit. Sabi na, no. Don't do that away. Pero yeah, dito na siya, guys. And we have that $1,000 voucher. Is it $1,000? No, $100. Over, baka $1,000. $100 voucher.
150.
$150. Oh, cool. $150 voucher, guys, na gagamitin namin, hindi namin alam kung kailan. Kung kailan kami free. But let's, i-assemble ko muna yung feet, guys. And today, I will get my nails done as well. Okay siya tignan sa malayuan, diba? Lapitan mo. Kinover ko lang yung color, guys. Diba, lavender yun. Kinaviran ko lang siya ng regular nail polish. So, kapag kung titingnan mo talaga siya, meron siya, oh. Kita nyo yan? So, yeah. Hindi siya maganda malapitan. Parang ako lang. Change camera. Nasira. Pag ganun ko sa nasira talaga siya. Hindi na siya maayos. As in, kasi yung lens. So, nahulog siya, guys. And, yan, may dent. So, ayaw na mag-close ng lens. Wala siyang battery din. Tinanggal ko na yung battery. Kasi low bat din siya. Lag-lag pa more! Idiwaw talaga ako eh. Sobrang idiwaw talaga. What?
Don't put it back up there.
I'm not.
We're gonna put it on the table so it does fall, doesn't bother me either.
Ito na siya, guys. Nihintay namin yung brother-in-law ni Dan para tulungan siya i-lift to. Tinry namin pero hindi ko kaya. Ang bigat-bigat. So, yung bahay kasi nila malapit lang dito. So, tinawagan ni Dan. Tapos free naman siya. Luckily. So, i-lift nila yan. And then, parang kailangan pa ako ni Dan, sabi niya. So, maya, after nito, mas set up na talaga. Alis tayo, nails. And nag-order ako ng camera. Gagamitin kasi ito ni Dan, hindi yung kamerang to. So, nag-order ako, guys, sa Harvey Norman. Pipick up namin siya today. Kapag naka-receive ako ng email na ready na siya, pick up namin today. Pero kapag hindi, siguro bukas. Depende kung kailan namin marireceive yung email. And yung Christmas tree pala namin, nilagyan ko ng maraming maliliit na balls pa. So, ito, hindi ko kasi ito inubos last time. So, ngayon inubos ko siya, guys, para medyo mas full siya tingnan. Ayoko na very, very crowded siya. So, ito, at least marami ka pa rin green na makikita. Pero inubos ko lahat ng maliliit na balls. So, puno siya ng maliliit na balls na. Yay! Tapos na siya, guys! Inano namin siya, parang dinikit namin siya dun kasi may PowerPoint dito. Para at least, diba? Kailangan na lang namin is dyan, kung ano ilalagay dyan. Ano kaya maganda ilagay? Parang clock. And Dan has to take care of this mess because wifey's gonna get her nails done. Wow, ang puti. Okay. Dito na tayo malapit sa nail place, guys. Timing na timing kasi lumabas si ate. So, replace ako agad-agad. And, yeah, hindi ko pa alam kung anong kulay pero malalaman natin pagdating doon. This is the before. Yung may tsakang bump dyan. And see you guys later. Iwan ko kayo dito. Tapos na tayo, guys. I went with white. Basic. Bayach. White lang, guys. Ang bilis ko kasi doon ako sa bagong shop nila. Meron silang bagong shop. So, dalawa na. Yung luma at saka yung bago. And init na naman. Bipolar talaga to si weather. Kanina, agay. Lamig-lamig. Okay, let's go home and ayusin natin yung ating bagong cabinet. Si Dan nag-gardening char, di ba? Gardening si Dan. Okay, go people. Oh no. Tingnan yung ginawa ni Dan, guys. Nag-ano siya. Grabe yung gardening. Uy, good luck nito kasi mapupuno yung bin. Ilang buwan pa kaya yan dyan. Wala, grabe. And ito, hindi niya tinouch. Ito. Kasi meron daw bird's nest. Kita nyo ba yan? Basta nandun sa tas may merong itlog daw. Tas ang bilis pa niyan tumubo sa bamboo. What rubbish?
We'll take it to Mum's. She's not home. We can put it in her bin.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we put it in a bag or box?
We can do that. Yeah.
Do we have a bag? Ang dami naming basura, guys. I-unbox natin to, guys. Hindi unbox. Unbag. So, ito yung mga binili namin ng mga plato na ngayon lang namin ma-organize kasi nga ngayon ka lang dumating. So, meron kaming ganito. Tapos may mga bowl din kami. Tatanggalan lang namin siya ng sticker. Tapos may malalaking plato. Perfect din kasi ubos na yung ko. Yung maliit namin na bowl. Parang saucer. Ubos na. So, tatanggalan lang siya ng mga sticker. Ito pala. Yan. Yung ganito namin parang isa na lang natira. So, ganyan lahat ng itsura, guys. Gray siya. Tapos may mug din. Yes! Hindi ko alam kung ma-organize ko to ngayon kasi pupunta kami sa bahay ng best friend ni Dan mamayang dinner. Is it his birthday dinner? Or just, what is it?
I don't know, maybe.
Parang birthday dinner? Hindi namin alam. Matagal lang kasi yung birthday niya pero wala kami dito.
We should put this in the dishwasher as well.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I can organize this tomorrow. I don't think I will have time to do it today. So put it in the dishwasher and then by tomorrow it will be ready. Buti na lang, tigasin yung kuko ko guys. Kasi na SMS, hindi siya masisira kahit na ganito, tanggal-tanggal ng sticker. Okay lang siya. You told me to not forget the voucher thingy, right? The loyalty thingy?
Yeah.
It's just manicure, it's not SNS. So they just clean your nails? And I showed her like after, and it's like free manicure. So it's like, oh, you gotta show it like next time. You gotta show it to us before we actually do your nails because we do the manicure before the SNS.
Okay.
Yeah. So. Sorry.
We finally get to use these.
I know. It's been like forever.
These don't have to go into the new one. They can stay around here, and we can reshuffle some of this to go in there.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be.
This one could be your plastic containers or.
Yeah, the light ones. Their stickers are nice as well because it doesn't actually like stick heavily onto the plate.
Beautiful.
Hello guys! Puno ng basura yung likod. Ayaw na Dan mag-drive, so tayo ang designated driver. Punta tayo sa bahay ng best friend niya, guys. What time is it now?
The alarm's on, babe.
5:17. Okay.
Go past Mum's house as well, babe.
Oh, okay.
Get rid of this rubbish.
My love don't cost a thing.
When I took a chance, but you understand.
Makikitapon lang kami ng basura dito, guys. Dami namin basura. Dito kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Wala sila eh. Bakasyon na naman. Nag-cruise sila. Pero darating na yun. By the time this video is up, nandito na sila. Balik na sila. When is bingo?
I've got no idea.
What
I'm hoping the neighbour sees it. I think he's been collecting their mail. And he just puts it out.
Okay. Bahay na kami, guys. Hello, Christmas tree. Ganda niya tingnan. Ang taba niya.
Looks so good.
It does? Yeah. Nilagyan ko siya ng marami pang, maliliit na balls kanina. I like it. I like the tiny little birdie here as well. Do you like it, my love?
Yeah, good about that.
And that one looks really good as well. Our buffet cabinet. Nice. Sayang, ding. Bukas i-organize natin yan, guys. Wala nang time ngayon, gabing-gabi na. Pero the food was really good sa bahay ng best friend niya. Bukas pala yung birthday ng best friend niya. Did you have fun, Mala?
I did.
New camera. Bukas.
My camera.
Ito, sa'yo to. Sana bukas ma-receive ko na yung email. Hindi ko na-receive yung email kanina na pwede na i-pick up. Kailangan kasi ito ni Dan. Gagamitin niya to. Natapos na din, guys. Malinis na sila. Papadry na lang yung mga bagong plato. Alam nyo ba? So, si Dan, uy, yung isa, nabasag yung parang nag-chip yung, parang dito niya ba? Parang baba niya. Tinapon ni Dan. Sayang talaga, uy. Kanina kasi paglagay niya dito, siya, napaka-harsh niya sa mga plato. Tapos dito na yung iba. Doon niya. We will get rid of all the red ones. Tapos papalitan natin itong gray. Oops. Papalitan natin ng gray.
You gonna sort that out tomorrow, babe?
Sorry? I will. Yeah, I will sort it out tomorrow. Yay. And we will get rid of the reds completely? Or just store them?
Store them, or
Yeah?
we'll see.
Depends upon our
Depends.
space.
We probably don't need them.
Yeah, we won't need it.
We got the black ones. I don't know. I've still got
What?
those big red balls are handy.
Oh, the big ones, yeah.
They're like, and the pasta balls are good.
These ones, yeah. No, let's keep those.
Yeah, all sorted out tomorrow. Probably just the plates can go, to be honest with you.
Just the
Everything else can
plates.
stay. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll sort that tomorrow.
Yeah, actually, we do not have the
We'll get rid of these.
yeah, but we don't have these in gray.
No.
So we gotta keep these
Alright.
ones.
These can go.
Yeah, no, that's alright. I'll sort it out
I'll
tomorrow.
sort it out.
Guys, nagmask lang ako yung Bumbida mask. Yung malapit na mag-expire ba sa December 20 ata. So, nagmamask na ako every night para maubos yung lahat ng lahat ng mask ko. Anyway, manonood kami ng movie ni Danny Boy. Hindi na ako mag-edit. Sabi niya, wag ka nang mag-edit. Nood tayo ng movie. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy niyo yung vlog. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Good night. Mwah.